In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth audio delay on Android. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Tap on Bluetooth to access the Bluetooth settings on Android. Here, you will see the Bluetooth version, and beside that, there is an update as well. Sometimes the delay can be related to the outdated Bluetooth version as well. So tap on Bluetooth version and tap on the Update button at the bottom to update the Bluetooth. Now, go back and you'll see all your connected devices. To fix the Bluetooth audio lag, toggle Bluetooth off, then turn it back on. This can help reset the connection. If the delay persists, scroll down and tap the arrow icon right next to the device experiencing the delay. Now tap Unpair to forget this device. This removes it completely. Next, reconnect your Bluetooth device by putting it in pairing mode and selecting it from the available devices list. This fresh connection often fixes Bluetooth latency on Android. And that's it. Your Bluetooth audio delay should now be resolved. If this helped, subscribe to Neural Nomads for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching.